Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to get your BullX NEO wallet's private key or get a private key for your BullX NEO wallet because you probably didn't save it when you started up. So what we are essentially going to do is we are going to click over here and you'll see you've got a wallet over here, but you won't be able to get the private key from this wallet. So what you will need to do is click on this little plus icon to create a new wallet. Now with our new wallet, we once again are going to get a private key for this. Please put this private key down on a notepad or wherever you need to so that for future reference you have your private key, because if you're going to attach this to Phantom Wallet or Trust Wallet, they are going to ask you for your private key. So now that you've copied your private key, you can just press next and you can say that you have saved the private key. From there on, you have options. You can click on the three little dot icon and you can set that as your main wallet, which is just going to make it easier since you don't have the other wallet's private key. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Thanks for watching.